The name mirror comes from the way this process works. When you move through the guided questions and exercises, ChatGPT does not generate content separate from you. It organizes what you have shared, and it returns it in a way that makes your own thinking easier to work with. The mirror shows you patterns in your words that may not have been obvious when you first wrote them. It sharpens the details of your thinking by reflecting them back in a structured way. The strength of the mirror comes from recursion. Each cycle begins with your responses. Those responses are compiled into the reflection file, and ChatGPT uses that file to surface themes, suggest strategies, and ask deeper, clarifying questions. You open a dialogue with ChatGPT, and the loop continues. This cycle creates depth. Instead of single reflections that stay isolated, each run of the mirror connects to the one before. The process builds continuity in ChatGPT, and every run of the mirror gives you more clarity and helps you track your transformation on the topic you chose. For coaches, the mirror can provide a structured record of client progress. Each session is connected to the last because you're running the same mirror every time. Based on the client's answers in the reflection files, this makes tracking growth and progress possible over time. For self-reflection enthusiasts, the mirror creates a record of how your personal transformation develops. Each reflection file can be a snapshot of the moment, but looking at how your answers to the questions and exercises in the mirror may have changed by reviewing your reflection files allows for a clear history of tangible change that you can look back on. Consider this. What kinds of patterns or details in your thinking do you often miss or overlook until somebody points them out to you? Write down your answer. This is the same dynamic you will experience with ChatGPT, as it reflects your own words and patterns back to you through the mirror process.